on these Cadillac wheels, and the farther I get into them, the more I see that they were worked on before, which, you know, it causes just more attention to detail, because I can see that they got a lot of fish eyes, and it looks like it was just a partial where they did a blend. So I'm going to redo these whole wheels. I'm going to work on these little spots to get them out of here. But the biggest thing that I wanted to touch on was preparation before paint. You know, the more we can scuff, the more we can clean, the better area we have to work. You know, look where we are. I'm in a trailer, I'm outside. If you do wheels, if you paint outside, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Prep is everything. Cleanliness. Prep all, wax and grease remover, everything you can do to clean your wheels to make a perfect paint job possible. Alright guys, keep watching for more tips and tricks. I appreciate you. Subscribe.